Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing the CAN Bridge controller, how it works and what you can do with it. So one of the examples I'm going to show you today is if you have your normal network running across your store and then you run out of your length because the maximum length is 400 meters. Then what we can do is we can add in another CAN bridge over here, CAN bridge, and then we can extend the network from here to the next network, which can go to another maximum of 400 meters. Don't forget that you'll need to also add in your start and end line resistors. In this configuration, the start will be there and then the end will be here. This will be the start and then we'll have the end over the side over here. For our second example, what we'll have a look at is we'll have a look at extending the network in a different manner, where we will go this way, and then our CAN bridge controller will be over here. This will be the CAN bridge. Just remember, this total network over here will be 400 meters, and then from here we can run down and we can split that into two networks, again 400 meters. And then keep in mind your resistors here will be the start and the end on this network, and then at the bottom will be the start and the end. Another advantage of this network is we can have the top network running at a very fast baud rate, and we can change the network speed and baud rate on the bottom controllers. So if you have controllers that are linked to your network on the bottom that have a maximum baud rate, then you can have different baud rates across your whole network. We also, one of the other advantages is on the CAN bridge, all of the network ports are also opto-insulated. So if you have a dead short on one of your networks and it goes down, it doesn't affect the rest of your network at all. So having a look at the CAN bridge, the actual controller itself, working from the top, you can see that these are the patch plugs, connectors for your CAN bus 1. This is for the normal connection for the cables. Over here we've got a dip switch for the baud rate, and then also the address for the actual CAN bridge itself. Looking at the bottom side of the controller, here's your patch connector. We've got our normal connection for our wired connection. Again, we have the baud rate for the second network, and then we've also got the power supply underneath there. We've got these lights and LEDs, which will show you how the connections are on the actual controller. Great, I hope this video helped you and you've got a little bit of a better idea how you can use the CAN bridge in your network.